the next step toward clear skin. The Herbalife Skin Clearify products are designed to help control or reduce acne blemishes, blackheads, and whiteheads. They are tough on your blemishes, but gentle on your skin. The Herbalife Skin Clearify line contains salicylic acid and is dermatologist tested for acne-fighting power. It pampers you with fresh scented botanicals like aloe, licorice extract, orange, and tea tree oils. Customize this easy-to-follow regimen and see results in 4 to 8 weeks. Have confidence in your complexion. So why be shy? Get Clearify.